Known for their exotic builds, BMW Abu Dhabi Motors lives up to its name. Their latest project is based on the 2020 BMW 840i Grand Coupe, which has been styled with a series of accessories from AC Schnitzer. The German tuning company give the Sunset Orange 8 Series Grand Coupe a front aerodynamic spoiler, which is carbon fiber, side canards, as well as side skirts in carbon fiber. But it's the lip part of the front bumper which stands out thanks to the same Sunset Orange color. In the back, the BMW 840i Grand Coupe retains its factory-installed bumper and diffuser. The M Performance catalog is also put to good use, so the 8 Series Grand Coupe is adorned with the M Performance 21-inch light alloy wheels. The BMW 840i Grand Coupe comes with the brand's excellent B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, making 340 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. According to BMW, 0 to 60 mph happens in 5.2 seconds for the rear-wheel drive car and 4.9 seconds for the xDrive equipped one.